For millennia, humanity has gazed at the stars, seeking answers to the deepest questions. Where do we come from? What is our place in this vast, incomprehensible cosmos? We've built telescopes to peer into the farthest reaches of space, and microscopes to delve into the smallest particles of matter. But what if the greatest cosmic secret wasn't out there, among the distant galaxies, but right here, within us? What if the very forces that shape the universe also shape our emotions, our societies, our destinies? We've explored Wilhelm Reich's controversial theories on Orgone energy, its connection to life, and even its terrifying interaction with nuclear radiation. But today, we embark on his most ambitious, most mind-bending journey yet. The concept of cosmic superimposition. This isn't just about energy. It's about the fundamental patterns of creation, the very blueprint of existence. Reich believed that the same forces that cause galaxies to spiral and planets to orbit are at play within every living organism, within every human interaction, even within our deepest emotions. What if the chaos and order of the cosmos are not just metaphors for our lives, but the very engines driving them? This episode will unravel Wilhelm Reich's revolutionary and often misunderstood theory of cosmic superimposition, a theory that bridges the gap between the macrocosm and the microcosm, between the spiritual and the scientific, between the universe outside and the universe within. Prepare to have your perception of reality fundamentally altered, because after this, you'll never look at the stars or yourself the same way again. Before Reich, science largely viewed the universe as a collection of isolated phenomena governed by distinct laws. Physics for the stars, biology for life, psychology for the mind. But Reich, with his unique lens of Orgone energy, began to see something else. A profound, underlying unity. He observed that the same fundamental patterns of movement and interaction, which he termed superimposition, were present at every scale of existence, from the smallest subatomic particles to the grandest cosmic structures. Imagine two streams of energy flowing towards each other. As they meet, they don't just collide. They superimpose, they interpenetrate, creating a new, more complex system, a vortex, a spiral. And then, from this dynamic interaction, new structures emerge. This, Reich argued, was not just a physical phenomenon, but a universal principle, the dance of creation, the very mechanism by which order emerges from chaos and life from non-life. It was a radical departure from conventional thought, suggesting that the universe wasn't just a collection of inert matter, but a living, breathing, self-organizing entity. Reich wasn't just theorizing, he was observing. He saw these superimposing currents in the formation of weather systems, in the growth of plants, in the movement of amoebas, and most profound, in the very act of sexual embrace. For him, the orgasm was not just a biological function, but a microcosm of cosmic superimposition, a moment where two individual energy systems merge, create a new field, and then separate, leaving behind a renewed sense of vitality and connection. This wasn't just a theory of physics, it was a theory of life, love, and consciousness. But if these cosmic patterns are so fundamental, why haven't we recognized them before? And what does it mean for our understanding of human nature, our societies, and our place in the universe? If we are, quite literally, made of stardust and cosmic energy, the answers, as Reich discovered, are as liberating as they are terrifying, and they challenge everything we thought we knew about ourselves. If the universe operates on principles of superimposition, then so do we, its inhabitants. Reich argued that the human organism is a microcosm of the cosmos, a complex system of energy currents, constantly superimposing, interacting, and shaping our physical and emotional realities. Our thoughts, our feelings, our relationships, all are expressions of these fundamental cosmic patterns. Consider the act of communication. When two people truly connect, their energy fields superimpose. Ideas, emotions, and intentions flow between them, creating a shared understanding, a new collective consciousness. But what happens when this natural process is blocked? When fear, rigidity, or social conditioning prevent these energetic superimpositions from occurring? Reich believed this blockage was the root of human suffering, the emotional plague that manifests as neurosis, violence, and societal dysfunction. We are designed for cosmic connection, but often live in energetic isolation. Reich extended his theory beyond individual psychology to the realm of society. He argued that societal structures, political systems, and cultural norms are also products of superimposition. When healthy, they facilitate the free flow of energy and promote growth. But when rigid and authoritarian, they block the natural superimposition of human energies, leading to stagnation, repression, and ultimately, rebellion. The struggle for freedom, for Reich, was not just a political battle, but an energetic one. But if our inner lives and our societies are merely reflections of cosmic patterns, does that mean we are simply puppets of the universe? Or does it mean we have the power to consciously align ourselves with these fundamental forces, to become co-creators of our own reality? The implications are profound, and they challenge our very notions of free will and destiny, and they offer a radical path to personal and societal liberation. Reich's concept of cosmic superimposition. It wasn't just about drawing parallels, it was about identifying a single unifying principle. He believed that the same energetic blueprint that governs the formation of a galaxy also governs the formation of a human cell, and even the formation of a thought. This cosmic blueprint is encoded within the Orgone energy itself, a universal intelligence guiding all creation. This means that our personal struggles, our emotional blockages, our societal dysfunctions are not isolated incidents. They are reflections of larger cosmic patterns, distortions in the universal flow of energy. And conversely, our moments of joy, our acts of creation, our movements towards freedom are also reflections of this cosmic blueprint, moments where we align ourselves with the natural, healthy superimposition of the universe. We are not separate from the cosmos. We are an integral, energetic part of it. Reich's later work, particularly his cloud-busting experiments, was a direct application of his cosmic superimposition theory. He believed that by manipulating atmospheric Orgone energy, he was not just influencing weather, but interacting with the cosmic energetic patterns that govern planetary systems. He saw himself not as a controller of nature, but as a facilitator, helping to restore the natural healthy flow of energy that had been disrupted by human emotional plague. It was a grand, almost mystical vision of humanity's role in the universe. But what are the implications of such a theory? If our inner lives are so deeply intertwined with the cosmos, what responsibility do we bear for the state of our world? And what power do we truly possess to shape our reality, both personal and planetary? The answers are both empowering and daunting, and they demand a radical reevaluation of our place in the universe. Reich's cosmic superimposition offers not just a new way of understanding the universe, but a profound path to liberation. If our suffering stems from energetic blockages, then true healing lies in restoring the natural flow of Orgone energy, in allowing the cosmic superimposition to occur freely within us and between us. This means embracing our natural impulses, shedding our armor, and daring to feel, to connect, to live fully. This isn't about complex therapies or esoteric rituals. It's about a fundamental shift in consciousness. It's about recognizing that we are not isolated individuals, but integral parts of a vast, interconnected cosmic web. It's about understanding that our personal well-being is inextricably linked to the well-being of the planet, and that our individual actions have cosmic repercussions. The personal is indeed cosmic, and the cosmic is profoundly personal. For Reich, the ultimate goal was that humanity reconnect to its cosmic roots, a humanity that lived not as a master of the universe, but in perfect symbiosis with its living, creative energy. A humanity free from the emotional plague, capable of genuine love, creativity, and self-regulation. This is the ultimate promise of cosmic superimposition, not just intellectual understanding, but existential transformation. It is a call to awaken to our true nature, to embrace our cosmic inheritance. The journey into cosmic superimposition is not for the faint of heart. It challenges our deepest assumptions about reality, about ourselves, and about our place in the universe. But for those who dare to embark on it, the rewards are immeasurable. A profound sense of connection, a deeper understanding of life's mysteries, and the power to truly shape our destiny. The universe is waiting for us to remember who we truly are. The ideas of Wilhelm Reich, once dismissed as madness, are now finding echoes in cutting-edge science, from quantum physics to systems theory. Could it be that Reich was not a madman, but a visionary, decades ahead of his time? And what does that mean for the future of humanity and our relationship with the cosmos? Wilhelm Reich's cosmic superimposition is more than just a book. It's a paradigm shift. It invites us to see the universe not as a cold, indifferent machine, but as a living, breathing, energetic organism, of which we are an inseparable part. It offers a path to healing, not just for individuals, but for our entire planet. The time has come to listen to the cosmos and to listen to ourselves. Don't remain in energetic isolation. Watch next, Reich's most challenging work, The Murder of Christ, where he analyzes not a historical event, but the timeless, tragic pattern of humanity destroying its own saviors. Subscribe to Wilhelm Reich, The Silenced Truth, for more forbidden insights, untold stories, and radical perspectives that challenge the status quo. Join our growing community of truth seekers. After watching this, do you believe there is a cosmic blueprint or a universal energy that connects us all? As Reich suggested, share your perspective in the comments below. Let's start a real conversation. Share this video with anyone who needs to hear this truth, who has ever looked at the stars and felt a sense of connection, or who dares to question the separation between science and spirituality. The truth deserves to be heard, and the conversation deserves to continue.